In this video, I'm going to show you how to reference another sheet in Google Sheet. So as you can see for the sample spreadsheet, we have here two sheets, Sheet 1 and Sheet 2. So Sheet 1 is currently empty and Sheet 2 in cell A1 has this text, sample text. So what we're going to do to accomplish this is we're going to reference this sample text in A1 to Sheet 1 without having the need to type it manually. So to do that, what we're going to do is to first locate the cell where we would like to input the reference. So let's say that we're going to reference in here in C10 cell. So what we're going to do is to type the following formula, equal sign, type the name of the sheet where the reference will come from. Since the reference will come from sheet 2, you input sheet 2 in here, add an exclamation mark, and next input the cell location of the reference. So since sample text from sheet 2 is from cell A1, simply type A1 in here, then click enter. As you can see, we did not manually text sample text in here, yet we are able to reference sample text from sheet 2 up to sheet 1 since we use the formula. And that's about it. That's how to reference another sheet in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.